India, the global portal for garments and fashion industries, today needs an equally competent infrastructural development to enhance the future of the textile industry. Akruti City, with a rich and varied experience in realty and infrastructure development, adds yet another jewel to its portfolio. Asmita Tech Spa, the integrated textile park. Just on the outskirts of the largest textile industry hub, Mumbai, the business capital of India, strategically positioned in the Kalyan Bhiwandi MIDC area, which is nationally renowned for its mega textile businesses. Asmita Tech Spa, the first integrated textile park, is conveniently located on National Highway 222 with easy access to other national highways, airports, seaports and railway stations. Its proximity from Kalyan and Bhiwandi stations facilitates the recruitment of skilled and semi-skilled textile labour from adjoining districts. The first private sector park is the only legal project in the area with iZone certification and 1:1 FSI with 100 to 60% payback in subsidies for your capital investment. The park has been sanctioned by the Ministry of Textile. Asmita Tech Spa's 60 acres of urban master planning is based on the concept of eco-textile park and the layout on recommended principles of Vastu Shastra for business prosperity. Catering to your dynamic business needs, the integrated park is divided into 20.5 acres dedicated to independent plots with buildings, 20.2 acres for textile estate units, an additional 3.6 acres exclusively for CFCs, 9.7 acres for the road network that stretches across the park, 10% open space covering 6 acres with gardens, landscapes and recreational areas. 3 secured gateways provide easy access to 60-foot wide roads for easy movement of traffic. Asmita Tech Spa is the one and only project offering the built-to-suit model on independent plots of standard sizes measuring 26,480 square feet with the following features. Rectangular plots with aesthetically designed exteriors. A dual-entry secured compound with the security cabin. Front loading provided as per the textile manufacturing workflow with a 4-foot high plinth for convenience in vehicle loading and unloading. The ground floor is laced with marble mosaic flooring. The interiors have an office and toilets. Under built-to-suit options, there's provision and scope for these areas to be customized. A goods lift along with internal and external stairs provides easy access to the first floor. The park is endowed with textile estates to support ancillary units, providing backward and forward linkages for unit holders. The estate plug-and-play galas are available in options of 1,900 square feet and 2,370 square feet, with ceilings that are 16 feet in height. Loading platforms at ground level with wide passageways on the upper floors for easy maneuvering of goods into your galas. Service corridors have industrial-grade lifts to facilitate the movement of heavy goods, and there are passenger lifts, stairs and common toilets on every floor for your convenience. Every gala has an independent toilet and a rear door for free thoroughfare. Dual interconnected estate buildings help create the clustering of ancillary units. Overhead and centralized underground water tanks provide water round the clock. A firefighting system provides fire hydrants on all the roads in compliance with safety norms. Uninterrupted power is available, facilitating adequate illumination throughout the park. At Asmita Tech Spa, infrastructure is supported by the best-in-class utility service systems such as exclusive underground utility ducts reaching each and every plot and building to provide water, power, drainage, sewage, fire hydrants and a telecom network. An efficient stormwater management system is also incorporated in the park. Effluent and waste treatment plants provide recycling solutions for basic park needs. The common facility centers that spread across the park will house business support activities integrated to save you time and money. Within the premises, all the textile logistics requirements are fulfilled. An in-house shuttle service from the station to the complex, as well as within the park, makes commuting easy for its people. For all medical and safety requirements, dedicated facilities will be made available. The telecommunication center will cater to all kinds of network needs, ensuring that you stay connected at all times. The HRD center will take care of your recruitment, labor, supervisor and management training activities. Plus, an R&D center and associated laboratories for product testing. Industrial and mechanical workshops for equipment and vehicle repairs. Special areas to showcase your products and host events. Moreover, your banking requirements can be taken care of right within the complex itself. Hostels, guest rooms, service apartments are also available for short, comfortable stays. Ample parking will be available for general vehicles and special parking bays for trucks and heavy vehicles. Asmita Tech Spa Complex is rich with lush greenery, landscape gardens and water bodies, all conducive to relaxation, invariably helping your business productivity. So seize this opportunity now and maximize every possible advantage to step up your business at Asmita Tech Spa, the integrated textile park.